Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, compass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.